And we're back to learning Affinity in the year day 42. Let me show you how I can create curved arrows. We yet again start with the pen tool right here. Simply left click to have a straight line, and under the swatches for the stroke you can change the color. We're gonna stick to black. You can make this a bit thicker using the slider, and then open the stroke options right here. Go to start and end. I've shown you all of that in the last video. We'll make this bigger. I'll make that 200 for the end, 150 for the start. It's okay. And the good news is this style is being stored basically, so it will be inherited when I create a new line right here. Left click, and then drag. And you can see I can create a curved arrow from scratch, and it will have the same settings. So all of these stroke properties that I've set. Let me do it again. Left click, drag to add the angle, and then release when you've got what you want. But you can also pick the straight arrow right here and then activate the node tool. When we hover over this tool, if I'm not mistaken, A is the shock key, and you can see that here. Once that is active, left click on the arrow, and if you hover over the line, you can see there is below the cursor a little bit of curvy line added, and this indicates that you can now left click drag to create a curve. Technically, you can also click on start and end points and then you can reposition that and use these handles to adjust the angle. But just hovering over the line and then left click drag is the easiest way to create curved lines. And this is how I can create curved arrows in Affinity. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.